Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I decided I'm gonna service my car. That's actually been a long time coming. So, yeah, this is all the stuff that I got. I used that oil, used 2W50, the red can. Got me oil filter, fuel filter that I already had, and NGK spark plugs. I'm gonna insert the clip here now somewhere. I'm having a bit of a problem with my car at the moment. I think it's the distributor. I'm pretty sure it's the distributor because there's like a lot of play. I'm gonna insert the clip for that. So there's a lot of play on the rotor, a lot of play. So when the car starts and the car is like on, it stalls. So I turn up the idle so that it sounds, so I can at least drive it. But it's running lean at the moment. But I'll insert the clip in here. It literally sounds like I have a 288 cam in my car, which I love the way it sounds, but also I know for the fact it's not good for the car. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to just replace the distributor at some point. But what I'm first gonna do is when I'm gonna service the car now, I'm gonna try to see if maybe that fixes it or not. Because if it does fix it, then I know it's not the distributor. But if it doesn't, then I know it's the distributor. So yeah, I'll just insert it in here right now. Anyway, I'm just gonna get changed to my overalls now, so I don't get my clothing dirty. I'm gonna get into my overalls now, and then we're gonna get the car jacked up. So yeah, I'm just gonna drain the oil now, and then yeah. And I think that's fast. Yeah, which is done. Yeah, which should, in some cases, can be turned off because it's supposed to be hand tightened, and in my case, I can turn mine off. Yes, sir. The flip, where the hell's the O-ring? There's supposed to be an O-ring on here. What? Hold up. What? Is it on there? Oh, it's on there. Okay, wow. There we go. Yeah, so there's actually supposed to be an O-ring on there, and it was luckily just going loose for some reason. Then, oh, not on the jack, on the jack, I mean. Just need to lube up that O-ring. And some people also pour into here, which you don't have to do, but I won't do it because I have to tilt my oil filter over anyway. So you just gotta put a nice foam around there without making a mess like I just did. And yeah, I'm actually gonna pour just like a little bit inside there. Just gonna make that just a little bit wet. Because when I tilt this over, it's all gonna pour out anyway. That's why I don't fill the whole thing up. I can just see properly where this is going. Hopefully there's not cross threading. Perfect. Here we go. It's about. Yeah, let me just put the phone down so I can hold both hands. There we go, and that's a lot cleaner than it used to be. There's no more oil there at least, besides that, but I'm not bothered with that. But yeah, that's a lot better than it used to be. Hopefully this doesn't leak. Shouldn't leak. It's got a fresh washer on. But yeah, so now that I've done that, now that I drained the oil and everything, I'm gonna do the spark plugs. And yeah, I'm just gonna do the spark plugs, drop in the oil filter, or replace the oil filter, and then put new oil in, and then we can start it up. Hopefully, maybe it fixes something, I don't know. Cross fingers. White means it's running lean, and it's making the engine run too hot. So yeah, but I think that's probably because of this problem that I'm having with the distributor. And as you can see, it's held on by a flippin' zip tie. Also, before I drop the car, for those who DM me or whatever on Instagram, to lower your, if you ever on the blood like mine, pop up, to lower it, this bolt over here is the one that you gotta loosen. So on that side also. So you'll see, you'll come out under the front wheel over here, you'll see the long torsion bar, that bolt, not any of the others, that one. You loosen this bolt, mine's loosened like basically as far as it can right there, and do the same on the other side, or just do it until both sides is even, and then drop the car and wait for it to settle, and then boom, your car will be lowered. But I'll do a separate video on that soon, because I'm going to try to lower this car more by extending this bolt over here. Or okay, that's the nut, that's the bolt over here. I'm going to extend the bolt, and then yes, I'll do a whole separate video on that, but that's just for now, for those asking. And when I say settle, this is what I mean. So you see, that's how my height is right now, but that's because it just came off the jacks. So normally what I'd do is I'll like, let me just move all my tools quickly. Oh no. Yeah, normally I'll just sit on the bonnet or whatever, and I'll just bounce a little bit. Yeah, this shock needs to be replaced, but I'll replace your shock, both shocks. Normally I'll just bounce on it a little bit, and then it will normally sit just like, even like just a tad little bit lower. Yeah, so as you can see, all of these spark plugs are all white on top, so it's definitely this. So I need to sort that distributor out. Also, before I go any further, for those who don't know, this is what my spark plugs look like in the car, right? Okay, let that focus. Come on, focus. Yeah, so that's what the spark plugs in my car look like. Why is it not focusing so nice? Anyway, and this is what a new one should look like. Big difference, eh? Just like that, new spark plugs are in. That took a little bit longer than expected. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna get the back jacked up and put on stands, just for safety, you know. Before I put in the new oil, and then I'm gonna get the new fuel filter on, which I've actually never done before now, so I actually don't know what to expect. But yeah, I'm just gonna get that on, and then put the new oil in, and then I'm gonna start up. Hello. Yo. I heard you pop. So here we got the clean Mac Media car out here. Close enough. It's cleaner than mine.
The birds shat on it.
Me also. I got handprints on mine. I heard you pop and you came on. So what do you think of the situation? Sell it.
I'm glad it didn't bend in the wrong.
I've got another one here. I'm gonna just put it in the boot though.
Pikachu.
It's gonna mess in my face, just watch.
Probably.
Come on.
Whoa.
Oh, it didn't drip at all. It's kind of disappointing. That is where the problem...
Wat de engine ID?
Yeah, man.
No, I don't do that. And neither do you.
Yes. That's gonna mess in my face. It's closing my eyes. Oh. Still nothing. It's flippin' disappointing. I want some drama in the vlog, damn it. Okay, so which way did this come out? I can't see.
It's lit!
So you can see how dirty this is. Look here. That's the old one.
Mad.
That's the new one.
Van wel dice. Look at your hand though.
Nice. No, it's not. It's smaller.
It's not.
Oh. Well,
Just keep that bracket for like
petrol bracket delete.
weight reduction.
Yeah. This way. So that just slides in there.
I'm gonna move my leg. There we go. Look at Eddie busy ratcheting. Like standard K-Town female.
These ratchet hoe. Okay.
What?
These ratchet hoes.
What up, folks? So Eddie went to get his keys, and I'm laying on the floor because I need to watch what's happening under the car.
Today?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
You were such a noob. What did you almost do?
I forgot to put the oil in the car.
You
and I
would
started
have
it.
had 2 pop-ups of the bearing knock.
Good times. For me, this is the most satisfying part of it.
Atmos. Come on, Eddie.
Look, you already starting to see shavings on my cams.
Like, completely.
Let me just do that. Righto.
Righto.
Let's go back to the drawing of the...
Also, how do you say it? Fritos or fritos?
Righto.
You smart man. Because it's not Friday. It's not Friday, it's Friday.
Look, hold on.
There's no leaks. There you guys can see that the filter is busy filling up now. No leaks, so that's a good sign. Look at the filter filling, it's busy filling up.
That Johan looks pretty nice.
That's pretty good.
Hey, my fuel is green. Nice. Kind of a good sign.
Yeah, the idle is a lot better. But what's your plugs, bro? But now you must figure out why is the car running so lean.
Yeah,
It could also have been that the photo was as dirty, no?
Let's calculate to see. I'm going to check that in a week or so again. Just to see if it's the
How
same.
your plugs aren't too expensive, so it's fine. But you can also clean it off, like if it is running lean and then just tune it right.
That's what I was going to say, yeah. Do I really have to replace the whole thing? I think it's as full as it's going to get.
Huh?
I think it's as full as it's going to get.
Oh yeah, now I'm checking for any more leaks. You good?
Okay.
You can come close up here. Anyway, let's lower this. Mate, you're struggling me, mate. Ooh, Whoa, spoon sports.
Just under halfway actually.
Ooh, what?
But yeah, so as we can see, it's still added in like that. So that did not fix the problem. So it's probably definitely in the distributor. But Matt's on his phone now with his dad talking about it. So hopefully maybe we can fix it if it isn't the distributor. A different background. We are at Josh's house now. Matt is standing with my car, being Vin Diesel. Oh no, sorry, Paul Walker.
I'm a elaborate dude.
Why do we do this to ourselves? Anyway, yeah, so as you guys saw, the timing, not the timing, the idle's also crap, but Matthew talked to his dad and he said it's the timing. So I probably jumped a tooth on the cam belt. Yeah, I probably jumped a tooth on the cam belt from all that racing home from work.
Yeah, I want to change DMs.
Yes, so the problem actually was the distributor. It's just like I thought. So basically the counterweight, so in the distributor there's a counterweight that's connected to a spring, or there's actually two counterweights and two springs. So in my distributor, the springs, I think both springs broke. So that's why it was doing that little, that's why it had so much play. In a normal distributor or in not broken distributor, it has that play, but it bounces back because of the springs. So because I actually had two other distributors here at home, and one of the distributors was broken, so we just took that to Matthew's dad, and he sorted me out. Basically, he helped me completely out. He basically we completely just changed the whole distributors over and put the vacuum advance and everything back over, and then installed the distributor, and now my car is fine. But anyway, thanks Matthew for all the help.
I didn't.
Well, you did help.
Support.
You helped the bleachy, so I appreciate it. And
She's so pretty.
I'm just happy the service is done. But anyway,
Shitbox life.
anyway, see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Safe.